Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix battery draining fast on Vivo. If you're using a Vivo phone and your phone's battery is draining fast, so let's see how can you fix it. For this, you just have to, if you have an old phone and your phone battery draining, so you have to exchange your phone's battery. So if you are having a new phone but your battery is still draining, you have to make some settings. So scroll down your control panel, and here you have to select the setting which you don't need as Bluetooth, and here's the enable the battery setting and disable ultra game mode or location, some settings like this which you don't need. And after that you have to go for settings. In settings, just look for battery settings. Here's the battery, select it, and here you have to make some settings, whether battery health and charging. You just have to select it, and here you have to enable the battery optimization as I have enabled it. So after that, just scroll down, go back, and here you will get all of your apps which are using your battery. You must have to look for those apps which you don't need to run in background, so you have to disable the permissions of the app. That I'm going to disable widgets. Just select it and then select allow background usage, and here you have to select restrict it. Just select it, and then the background usage of this app will be disabled. In this way you have to disable all the apps background access of all apps, and after that your battery draining will not fast. So that's how you can easily fix your battery draining. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.